RFP for setting up of Bihar State Data Center Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Site on Cloud. 3. Project background. State data centers (SDC) are built for the states to consolidate services, applications and infrastructure to provide efficient electronic delivery of G2G, G2C and G2B services. These services can be rendered by the states through common delivery platforms seamlessly supported by core connectivity infrastructure such as Statewide Area Network (SWAN) and Common Service Center (CSC) connectivity extended up to village level. SDCs provide many functionalities and some of the key functionalities are central repository of the state, secure data storage, online delivery of services, citizen information services portal, state intranet portal, disaster recovery, remote management and service integration etc. SDCs would also provide better operation and management control and minimize overall cost of data management, IT resource management, deployment, and other costs. Keeping in view of above objectives, Department of IT, Government of Bihar had set up State Data Center to provide efficient electronic service delivery of G2G, G2C and G2B services to enable various state departments to host their services applications on a common infrastructure leading to ease of integration and efficient management, ensuring that computing resources and the support connectivity infrastructure is adequately and optimally used to provide better operations and management. Control to minimize overall cost of data management, IT management, and deployment through use of common infrastructure. All the IT initiatives taken by the state government are being matured, and most of the business processes are being made paperless and are being kept digitally. All the above mentioned IT services are being provided and maintained from the Bihar State Data Center (BSDC). BSDC is located at Beltron Bhavan, Shastri Nagar, Patna, Bihar. BSDC was made operational in April 2015. There are 36 racks placed in BSDC, and out of which 5 racks are for network infrastructure, rest are for servers, storage, tape library, etc. Metwai has suggested all the states' UTs to build the disaster recovery (DR) site for their respective SDC. Till now, BSDC has not been provisioned with any DR site. Now, Department of IT, Government of Bihar, has envisaged to provision DR site at Cloud Service Providers (CSP) data center. Since Metwai has already approved 11 CSPs for setting up data centers, DC, or DR site, so bidder shall propose Metwai empaneled CSP for setting up of BSDC's DR site on cloud. Bidder shall be required to establish appropriate DR site along with appropriate data backup and recovery procedures. BSDC's existing utilization is shown below. Existing infrastructure. Utilization. Server, physical virtual. 140. CPU. 804 cores. RAM. 5052 gigabytes. Storage. 1,25,000 gigabytes. MS SQL Enterprise Edition. 394 cores. MySQL Enterprise Edition. 130 cores. Oracle Enterprise Edition. 16 cores. IBM DB2 Enterprise Edition. 16 cores. RFP for setting up of Bihar State Data Center Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery Site on Cloud BSEDC 13 vertical bar PAGE. This is tentative capacity to be referred for provisioning of DR as a service which may increase or decrease based on requirement at a time. VM details with resources utilization of BSDC shall be shared with successful bidder only. As of now, BSDC has hosted 50 applications. Considering the growth of user base and quantum of data generated stored, projection of hosted applications for next 5 years shall be 100 applications. Please refer to Annexure 4 for list of existing infrastructure of BSDC. BSDC has categorized application into four categories. Platinum applications. These are the most critical application and need an active DC-DR configuration with same replica on DR site. These applications shall be configured with 1 resources at DR site. Gold applications. These are also critical applications but just below the platinum category. These applications shall be replicated to DR site with lesser compute and storage requirements. It shall be replicated with 2 resources at DR site. Silver applications. These are less critical applications than gold category. These applications shall also be replicated to DR site with further lesser compute and storage. It shall be replicated with 3 resources at DR site. Bronze applications. These are non-critical applications and shall be replicated with less compute and storage. It shall be replicated with 4 resources at DR site. Bihar State Electronics Development Corporation Limited has envisaged 100% workloads to shift on DR site with logical provisioning of compute and storage requirements. A very high-level resource allocation for sizing purpose to various applications has been mentioned in Form A.15. Application categorization is shown as below. Application category. Application percentage. Resource weightage. DC, DR. Site. Platinum. Applications 25%. 1 Gold. Applications 15%. 1 Silver applications 20%. 1 Bronze. Applications 40%. 1 Note: this is an indicative percentage which subject to change as per application requirements.